How to use Binance Earn quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at Binance Earn and the different features that it has. So let's get into it. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, all you need to do is go ahead and sign up with your email address. And once you have signed up with your email address, you will have to do identity verification and then you can begin trading on Binance. So Binance Earn is a section on Binance that enables you to secure your cryptocurrency or secure your crypto tokens in more long-term investments rather than just day-to-day trading or futures trading as most people are focused on. So, Binance Earn has multiple different features such as their simple earning, staking, farming, and dual investment, and we will be discussing all of these today. So first off, if we go into the simple earn section, the simple earn is where you can go ahead and invest in a simple token. So you can go on ahead and choose any token of your choice. Let's say it's Solana for us. Then you can subscribe for a certain number of days and enter the amount of tokens that you want. And after that, you will just purchase these tokens and earn on these tokens. So that is it. That is all there is. So you will be earning rewards by depositing your assets in locked terms or flexible terms. Now, some of these have flexible terms as well. Some of these only have a locked number of days. Keep that in mind if you lock your money in a simple earn section. Like for 60 days, I lock my Solana up, however much Solana it might be, then I won't be able to access my money for 60 days whatsoever. So when you click on subscribe, you get the interest end date. On the interest end date and time, that is when you will be able to re-access your funds, and any kind of valuation that your funds might lose within those days, you actually are going to be accountable for that. So if you don't want to put your money in for a very long time or you want to access it soon, then you can put it in a flexible holding as well. And this is one of the most basic ways to make money. It's kind of like putting your money in your bank and you get like 1, 2, 3, however much percent interest on it. It's very much similar to that. And that is one of the simplest ways to get started with earning on Binance. Now, after that simple earn, you also have a BNB Vault, which is a flexible BNB aggregator. So this combines rewards from a simple earn section and a launch pool, which gives you more competitive returns. And what this basically is that you do some staking, and the BNB Vault actually means you're adding your money or staking your money into the launch pool. The more people that have staked the money in the BNB launch pool, the more higher the reward will be. So you can stake in this, although I don't recommend this because the other ways to earn are definitely more profitable on Binance Earn. So moving on to the next way, we have liquidity farming. Now, liquidity farming is super amazing for people that want to earn on Binance with the Binance Earn features. In liquidity farming, you can choose two types of tokens. You can choose a stable token plus a normal token, or you can choose two different tokens like these token pairs. There are multiple different token pairs available, and you can simply go on ahead and add your portion in the pool. This is going to be the liquidity pool swap, and once you add money into the liquidity pool, the longer the time period for your liquidity, the longer period of time you're actually adding your money for, the higher your reward will be, and you will either be rewarded in the form of these tokens, so mostly you get rewarded in the form of BNB or any other kind of token as well. And what this actually enables you to do is that because you are providing liquidity to the Binance platform, they are getting, because these platforms or these exchanges need a lot of liquid money to transfer from here and there. So that is why they reward people for putting money into the liquidity. Now, moving on, we have the Binance Pool, and this is pretty similar as well. So in the Binance Pool, you can go on ahead and add to the Binance Pool. You add money or your crypto tokens to the pool, save them for a certain amount of time, and you get money to spend as well. This is a little more complicated than basic liquidity farming or basic locked staking or interest yields, but it still is a good way to earn money with Binance. Now, if we go on to staking, now they also have ETH staking and DeFi staking. DeFi staking is super popular, but it does involve quite a lot of risk. So you can see you have the minimum locked amount in of DeFi staking, and all you have to do is click on stake now, and you have flexible locks or a certain number of days. You'll be shown all the different offers that are available. A lot of the times these offers are sold out and they are updated with time, and you can choose to stake your money in a specific decentralized finance token. Go on ahead and select a flexible lock or a specific day lock, and you will get the estimated APR for that lock as well. And that is how you can earn money with DeFi staking as well. The advantages of DeFi staking are something that people don't realize is that there is no gas fee for DeFi staking. Plus, you will be able to keep your money in your on-chain wallet, so you will be able to hold your money in your Binance wallet as well. Now, moving on to the next way to earn money is dual investment on Binance Earn. Now, dual investments are simple ways that you can choose two different types of tokens, and you can go on ahead and sell high, buy low, or buy low with BUSD, or buy low with USDT. So you can choose a specific token for a specific price and buy that as well. You also have return calculators available, so you can enter the subscription amount. So let's say that I want to sell high, and you can choose the settlement date as well. So let's say I want to buy the low, and this is the settlement date that I am looking for. I can click on subscribe over here, and it will show me the different scenarios. So what this basically is, so you can just enter whatever subscription amount you want. Once you have your subscription amount, you will see your interest, you will see what you will receive by the end of this, and the overall fluctuation. So this is kind of like betting on the price as well, and it is a pretty amazing way to earn money other than just trading on the futures market. It's like a simplified or slightly safer version with no trading fees of just trading on the futures market. Now, if you just want to invest your money and earn on your investment like a savings account, you can go into the auto invest section and create your own custom plan for investing into cryptocurrencies. You can choose any of the crypto tokens, and you're simply going to go on ahead and click on create a plan, and you can create your own recurring cycle of purchasing a crypto token of your choice, and you're going to just keep on buying that crypto token on that specific price. And once you have bought that token for quite a long time, then you will be able to, lower your average buying price. So your average buying price might be a lot lower than someone that only bought all of the token at once, and you will be able to get a lower buying price, and then you can later on sell it for a higher price as well. Now, after that, you also have the basic token launchpad platform. So this is where new tokens are launched, and this is also in the Binance Earn section. It is a great way for you to be able to look at the up and coming tokens, to be able to invest in those and become an early investor to earn more money when the tokens are launched into the actual crypto markets. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.